Well, in my mother's voice, we're very, very grateful to the Tacoma Police Department and the cold case unit and Gene Miller that's got us where we are today. And we hope that this is going to solve any future crimes for this gentleman. And it's been a long time coming.
Can you tell us about your mom?
Goodness, I was so young. I didn't live with my mother, so I lived with my father. So, but she was kind of a mother to everyone. She was the fun mom. She was the mom that took everybody in when they didn't have anywhere to go. She was a wonderful person. It's a shame that this happened. There's not a grandchild that we have that ever got to meet her, so that's the shame of it all.
Gene, before the DNA pointed to Smith, was he ever up on your radar?
No, not at all. He was not a named person in this investigation. He came up purely because of the work that the State Patrol Crime Lab did on the evidence that we submitted.
And that's evidence that obviously sat in an evidence locker for some time before you were able to get those tests.
Yeah, the original evidence that was submitted in this case had actually been submitted before, but because of technological changes, the advances in DNA, and the ability to evaluate physical evidence, there was really nothing that could be done back then. And it's only because it was collected back then by the original detectives, which I'm very, very impressed with, and that it was maintained properly, and then that thankfully we were allowed to work these cases with the support of the Chief's Office and the National Institute of Justice DNA grant. That's what allowed us to move forward and make progress.